Today I will give you the interpretation of the vision of the deceased cleaning the house in a dream. To see the deceased cleaning the house with water is a sign of stability. The widow then saw the deceased cleaning the house with water as a sign of virtue. When a person saw the dead mother cleaning the floor, it could be an omen. It may also carry a clue to the resolution of problems among its children. To see a dead person cleaning the ground signifies the joys and pleasures of life. It also indicates the dreamer's desire to escape from daily responsibilities on him. This dream is in balance and moderation. It indicates sophistication of thought. And you want to do a lot of positive things in your life. So the dream tells you that the time has come and the next days are all good. A dream of a dead person cleaning the ground through the synagogue foretells the joys and pleasures that await the dreamer in the days to come. The sight of the dead sweeping the land is evidence of the abundance of food to come. Seeing a dead person sweep the ground signifies the disappearance of worries and sorrows. Seeing a corpse sweep and cleanse the earth also signifies the purification of the soul from sins and transgressions. To see the dreamer ask his deceased brother to clean the floor has several meanings. It involves the dreamer going through many crises in his or her life. It indicates a distress or difficulty in his life. If a married woman sees that the deceased asks her to clean the floor, the dream is interpreted as a sign of good fortune. This indicates the prevalence of happiness in her household. To dream that a dead person is clearing the floor for bachelors indicates that the girl is feeling depressed and very afraid of her future. Seeing the dead girl sweeping the floor with tears indicates the dead person's need for prayer and charity. Seeing the deceased sweep the floor signifies the well-being of the unmarried and the positive change that will occur in her life. To see a dead person cleansing the earth with water indicates that you are on the right path in life and are trying to achieve all your ambitions, and you will succeed in God's eyes. To dream that you are cleaning the floor of a dead person also reveals that you will get rid of your feelings of disgust towards that person. This concludes our episode, and we will see you in a new interpretation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to support us permanently. You will always receive news from us.